Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install SSH on Linux. To install SSH on Linux we have to open our terminal first of all, and now we can move on to our installation process. But before it we have to check if our SSH is installed, because if it's installed we don't have to do it. We can check that by doing sudo systemctl status SSH and type in our password. As you can see, unit SSH service could not be found, so it is not on our computer, so we have to install it. We can do it basically by one command, and it means we have to type sudo apt install as usual. Now open SSH server and press enter, and as you can see our installation started. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. And now we can wait. It shouldn't take so much time, but because it's at almost finished, so it's good. And now our SSH is installed. We can again test by the same command, sudo systemctl status SSH. As you can see, it is installed, but it's inactive. In order to activate it, we have to type in sudo systemctl start SSH. It started, and now again sudo systemctl status SSH, and as you can see it's active and everything is working. And that will be all in this video. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.